Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your device and the keyboard app you use. Once you know whether it's iOS or Android, open Settings and go straight to Sound and Vibration and Keyboard App Settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can test changes live. Next, locate the keyboard entry in the app list and tap into its options. This is where you take the first real actions to stop typing sounds and vibrations without guessing. Once inside the keyboard settings, switch off keypress sound and keypress vibration. This stops app-level audio and haptics. Then move to System Sound Controls, setting sound and vibration other sounds and disable touch sounds so the OS won't add clicks. On iOS, go to Settings Sounds and Haptics and turn off keyboard clicks and system haptics to silence both feedback layers. Make sure to apply changes for the exact keyboard you use, because multiple keyboards can each have independent toggles. To complete the process, restart the keyboard by forcing close or reboot the device, then test typing in notes or messages to confirm silence and no vibration. If you still feel haptics, check Accessibility Touch or Haptics and ensure those system-level features are off. Sometimes accessibility overrides keyboard settings. Finally, if settings won't stick, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall the keyboard app. That usually resolves corrupted preferences and restores silent typing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.